I have shared some awesome free watch faces that you shouldn't miss out for your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Some of them are limited time free, so make sure to grab them as soon as possible. Starting off with the number one watch face. This is Magic Road 2, available for free on Google Play Store. This one has a gyroscopic movement for that battery juice shown right here, and it looks really cool. On this side, we have our step counter with digital time, date, and heart rate. Talking about color customization, you can change combination with background dial and watch hands. Next, you can make those watch hands glow like this. After that, we have few options for background themes. So check it out before it's gone. Link for that face will be down in description. Next one is GYD003. This face has a ton of information in the background, like week meter on this side with date. Battery percentage is here with step counter and heart rate. It also has this analog clock right here. And talking about customization, we have many themes for this face, but I like the stock one. SH098 is the one to try out. If you're looking for big and bold time that is highlighted in the center, the face is modern even with those big digits and fonts. Background information is decent too, like you can see step counter right here and distance covered. This is sunset sunrise indicator, while the bottom section shows battery percentage and date. About customization, you can change color combination with time. After that, you can show or hide seconds. So many options are available here. If you're looking for something classy and elegant, then this is the one to try out. Name of this face is Analog Classic 24. The color combination with this dial and background looks like those retro expensive watches. Step counter is on the left side, while date is here on the right. Further, you can add one more custom shortcut by tapping here. Talking about customization, you can change color with these dials. After that, you can change logo present here. Next, you can change background style. And then we have a lot more options for AOD mode and complications. Sprint is a face that is available for free for a limited time, and this one is from AMOLED Watch Faces. You can see that the face has pretty big time in digital format with step counter right here and temperature on this side. Then we have our battery percentage, heart rate monitor, day and date. Talking about customization, we have many color options here, like you can change color of time and background information. After that, seconds indicator. Next, AOD mode, and many more options are available here. Samwatch Basic 24 is one simple and clean design for everyday use. I like such simple and minimal clocks with white background a lot. So the background info shows step counter, heart rate on this side, while day and date on the right side. Plus this face offers many color options with that background and watch hands. H385 is a perfect design. If you're looking for a hybrid watch face, it has this modern design with beautiful patterns on each side. Further, you can add new shortcuts by tapping here. And we have heart rate, dual clock, step counter and battery percentage on this side. Talking about customization, first you can change background color like this. Then you can change color with center dial. After that, you can change color with time and info in the background. So many customization options are available here to check out. Last one is MD266. It is an informative powerhouse that even shows week and day of the year. Plus we have many more options here, like you can add one more custom shortcut or info on this side. Talking about customization, first you can change color with time like this. After that, seconds. Next, date and background info right here. And you can also change background themes. So give this face a try. And that was all about for today's episode. Which is your favorite watch face? Let me know about it in the comment section. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.